They say space is cold, empty, and lifeless, but what if I told you there's a place in our galaxy where the air smells like rum, tastes like raspberries, and is filled with enough alcohol to fuel a party that never ends? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Hey, did you know there's a huge cloud of alcohol floating in space? And not just a small patch. It's a giant cloud stretching over 460 billion kilometers across, found near the center of our Milky Way galaxy in a star-forming region called Sagittarius B2. Inside, this cloud is ethyl alcohol, the same type used in drinks like beer, wine, and vodka. Scientists calculated that this cloud contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. That's enough to give every single person on Earth their own brewery for generations. But don't get your hopes up. This isn't the kind of alcohol you can drink. It's mixed with deadly chemicals like hydrogen cyanide, carbon monoxide, and other toxic gases. So even one sip would be fatal. But what really makes this cloud fascinating isn't just the booze. It's what it means. See, the fact that such complex molecules can exist in space shows that the building blocks of life are spread far and wide across the universe. These molecules form on the surface of microscopic dust grains floating between stars. In the cold, dark regions of space, atoms freeze onto these grains and combine into more complex structures like alcohol. When nearby stars explode or burst into life, these particles are blasted outward, carrying these life-related molecules across the galaxy like seeds in the wind. Some scientists even believe that billions of years ago, molecules like these hitched a ride on comets or meteorites and landed on early Earth, possibly helping to kickstart life itself. That means, in a strange way, this alcohol cloud could be connected to our very existence. And it gets even weirder. Scientists also found a molecule called ethyl formate in the same cloud. This is the compound that gives raspberries their flavor and rum its smell. Yes, you heard that right. Parts of space actually smell sweet and fruity. The cloud is located around 26,000 light-years away, which means even light takes 26,000 years to travel from there to here. And yet scientists are able to study its contents using special radio telescopes that detect invisible waves of energy coming from those molecules. It's like listening to a silent whisper from across the galaxy. The more we learn about space, the more we realize it's not just cold and empty. It's full of chemistry, reactions, and mystery. Just imagine, far away from Earth, a cloud is floating with flavors, smells, in a dark corner of the galaxy, and chemicals that might one day help create life on other planets too. So while it might sound like a fun space party at first, powerful clues we have about how life might exist beyond our world. It reminds us that the universe is alive with possibilities, and every weird discovery like this brings us one step closer to understanding where we come from and where else life might be waiting to begin.